Ekibiina eki nikyejumbirwamu abakyara okuruga omu mashaza gombi erya Nyabushozi hamwe na Kashongi kandi abantu bakozesa amate okwongyera aha ntaasa y'amaka.
We started in 2013 as a small group, coming together, sharing, crying for women, but so far we have moved the journey because what you see outside, 3 of the groups are the associations that fit within this umbrella organization. I am very happy to report to you that at least some have acquired skills and indeed they are entrepreneurs.
Abana bashobora kubiine ekiteekateeko ky'okwongyera kukora ebindi bintu ebirikuruga omu mate.
We are looking at all the products that we would extract from milk. There is a range of products that can be extracted from just one raw material, which is milk, ranging from chilled, yogurt, butter, ghee, casein, whey, name them, cheese and all that. All those are products, given support and given what it takes, that can be extracted from. Remember our background as women, we said, what is that we can start with as women of Kiruhura?
Business zo bari kubasa gukora already bari mu business ya value addition. Noreba ngo nibagura amate bagadingaho value, bakora yogurt, bakora amajuta ndetse na za bata n'ibindi. Kandi ibyo babigumizamo bakagumana babikoraje ibyo nibirwamo senteje kurungi kugira ngo generally abakazi barwo mu bworo
bahabwira ko barkwija kutunga sente za grow kandi zija zibayamba mu kwetungura.
Takizire nizo babahire za grow miliyoni 8 as a grant kandi ejo grant umwaka go tutandikire gwa new financial year nimwe ziri kuza kwizira habo kuba already bakabamanya isoko wa gatanu konka twaturi kuhendera financial year konka kugira ngo financial year kati tujimazire twazo mu financial yensa hati financial yensa niyo baza kutungira mezo sente miliyoni 8.
Victoria mwezi wa RDC muri Kiruhura district William Kinyamatama asimire project y'abacarejo hamwe n'enkwatanisa.
The revolving fund, the rate at which the recovery is made specifically for the women groups as in think as there devson munonga nareze namanyire ko egirete rya higuru munonga abo kuba narebera report kana ni imporra commercial officer na banjura the recovery rate so nyenda kusima abakazi for this group nyanga abakazi nibeshungi abantu bona okushashura
bamuha member b'ekibiina eki nibasima government ahabwo obushagiki kandi bina masiko ngo baza kweyongera kutunguka.
Twatunga wide abo kwani batubuza tukatunga sente bantu batubuza tukashashura kandi tukashashura so hanga simwe habwizoberi
zo burumu no kugira sente nke tukakora ibintu bitu bike bakabitwara bakaho twakubere twine sente nyingi tukore ibintu bingi tutunga katare kango bigenda hantu hona.
Amakuru agagasha kwa Canary Mesa abwa tayari West Omuri Kiruhura.